It's a beautiful night right now, and there's a lot of stars out in the sky. There also could be some shooting stars. That's because the Lyrid meteor shower peaks tonight after midnight into the early morning hours. Just lay back, get into a dark spot in the sky, and look up, and you might see about 20 meteors per hour. Not the most fantastic meteor shower, but nevertheless, it's a beautiful night, so get outdoors and enjoy the rest of this Earth night as we go into the next day, because we got a lot of storms coming our way as we hit the end of the work week. Right now, we're in the mid to upper 60s, so you really don't even have to bundle up. And we're not going to drop off much. Humidity comes racing back tomorrow afternoon. The mugginess will be back. You'll feel that, and that's going to set the stage for some thunderstorms, but they are going to take their time to get in here. They move in Friday in the early morning hours. Wait till you see the newest computer model forecast too. About 6 hours ago, they didn't have a single storm in northwest Arkansas in the morning hours, or at least the HRRR didn't, the high resolution rapid refresh. Now it does, and you'll see that here in about 5 seconds as those storms will be cranking up. Look at the River Valley too, continuing with the storms during the early afternoon. So before we get into that, we got to show you the 4 rounds of severe weather. First of all, in the early morning hours, those storms could continue to develop Friday afternoon, and now the latest continues storms in northwest Arkansas through Friday afternoon. A third round develops late Saturday night. This is the key right here. I want you to know most of the day Saturday should be dry. At least that's what we're hoping. And then that goes into Sunday morning as we have thunderstorms and then additional storms developing. So here's that severe weather risk. Would not be surprised in the least if this gets upgraded to a level 2 on the new day 1 convective outlook, which will take us through tomorrow night into 7 a.m. Friday. Then as we go throughout the day on Friday, you can see those storms continuing, and there's a reason why it becomes a level 2. So here's the future radar. Watch what happens. Everything's really quiet. The dry line appears to be capped, except one isolated cell could pop up south of Oklahoma City. And you'll notice that here's the thunderstorms developing to the northwest. Everything's nice and quiet, right? Until about 2 o'clock in the morning. This is when the storms are expected to roll in. And these storms look kind of intense as they'll have the potential. In fact, there's a few rotation tracks that develop as those storms come through. Notice 7 o'clock in the morning. Remember, this isn't a perfect representation of what's going to happen, but it gives you ideas. Look at the mugginess coming back. The instability just reloads, and it just immediately refuels. And look at more thunderstorms developing, training over the same area. And then you got, watch this, along a warm front, perhaps additional isolated supercells, and that's going to crank up into the River Valley Friday night into Saturday morning. So we got a lot of activity coming our way, and we could get over 3 inches of rain with some isolated higher amounts if that model comes to fruition. Now let's take a look at the next risk. This is Saturday night into Sunday. You can see many severe storms. And as we get closer, these higher resolution models will be able to depict all these pieces of energy to the best of their ability. And I think there's going to be more storms than what we see on the future track, which is a lower resolution model. So this is early Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon, and you can see that storm risk continues to clip northwest Arkansas. Confidence is increasing. This is a bad pattern. And southwest flow, oh no, it's basically going to bring multiple rounds of showers and storms. That was the risk for Monday, which might even back up a little more as this system slows down. So here's the future radar, and take it for what it's worth, but it's got some storms out in Oklahoma. They move in Sunday morning. This will probably be a whole lot more than what it shows, considering Friday morning is going to be pretty active. And then look at this, more storms developing Monday afternoon and into the evening. And look at this, our final round comes in before we close out the month, the night of April 29th into April 30th. This has a lot of energy to work with, and this is very concerning as it could bring severe weather potential. But that storm system is thousands of miles off the coast right now of the United States, so it's still a ways to get here. We're looking at upper 70s to lower 80s tomorrow. It will be a beautiful afternoon. It will be breezy though, so be aware of that. Those storm chances are going to increase dramatically. We're talking a really early morning, noisy morning, and so cats and dogs won't be liking the rumbles of thunder, including that cat at Ballmarker Stadium. Hopefully